Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and previously you would have seen my car in STEK Carbon PPF. It was also in khaki green, however it's stripped back to the original gloss black colour. Now, if I'm in this bay, this is Sal's bay. You know Sal from T-Way. So that means if it's in this bay, it's not being wrapped. It's going to colour. STEK PPF, I've got a new range. And I've got one of the first colours. Watch this video.
Just sort of gauging over the car how difficult it's going to be, how long it's going to take. Going by the previous install, which was the Carbon PPF, that was round about 6 days. I think it's going to be a little bit easier because it's the PPF is actually made up slightly different, and just really excited to install Yan's car again.
Sal was already laid the wing and the side skirt in white. It's already looking great, and the contrast between the real carbon and the white STEK vinyl looks great. I do love a white car, and I've had loads and loads of white cars over the years. I think white is now played out. It was, when I done it in 2006, everyone was like, wow, you got a white Lambo. And then over the years it got more and more, and then obviously people were like, no, not about white. And now I think white's coming back. Well, I'm gonna bring it back anyway. Yeah, cool. Nice one, man.
Okay, so we've started applying the Dino White STEK PPF to some of the panels now. Because we're using PPF and PPF templates, you have these sort of relief cuts where you've got really deep recesses, and the film can't physically actually go inside them because of the thickness and the conformability of the film. So what we're going to do is, like, once we've installed all the panels on the car, we have like a 5mm or a 10mm strip which we're going to fill these in with, just to get rid of that sort of black line. So then we'll have like a total white wrap, and it will look fully complete that way.
This is something we've been investigating for a little bit in terms of looking at the colour change options with regards to PPF versus a vinyl wrap. The guys at STEK have pretty much led the way, I would like to say, with regards to stuff like this. We first come across them when we've done Yanni's car in the STEK black carbon. Yan has always wanted a fully carbon car, but when it comes to the wrap material, it was never something that we actually recommended or offered. We saw the STEK product, really happy with it, really impressed with the depth of the carbon. As you can see, if you have a look around the car, we've left certain elements in the STEK Carbon PPF anyway, such as his roof, wing mirrors and little odds and sods. But we've now decided to go with the pearl white to see what that performs like, what that looks like. STEK will be coming to the market with some new products as well, so I've done a little bit of research. They've got a Miami blue coming, they've got colour shifting colours coming, we've got forged carbon coming, so the guys are really leading the way when it comes to PPF.
So first of all, so we're in the back. First things first, talk to me about what happened on your shirt here.
Why? I'm standing this way to get it off the camera.
What happened?
Coffee happened.
Coffee before you even got to work.
Yeah.
Anyway, luckily, you don't want to do that on a white car because it was stained.
Yeah.
Right, so the white STEK PPF, I personally love it. I used to have a white car back in 2006, 2 white cars back in 2006, and to go back to white now, people are going to be like, what is this, Miami Vice, or take us back to 2010 or whatever. Nah, I'm bringing white back. So remember, I'm the first person that's going to bring white back. This looks great. In here, it's like quite a very, very high-end gloss finish, which looks really like paint, if I'm honest with you. It's the first time I've PPF'd a car in a colour.
Yes.
And I think this is a brand new product that they're bringing out.
It's a brand new product. I mentioned previously, which will be somewhere in this video, STEK will be coming to the market with some new products as well. So I've done a little bit of research. There's forged carbon coming.
No way.
They've got,
I want to be the first for the forged carbon, please, STEK.
Miami blue PPF coming.
Wow.
So
purple. To be fair, they did offer me, they said to me, listen, Jan, we've got white, we've got purple, we've got this, we've got that. Because I've already done it in purple, I thought, let's do it in white. It's a massive contrast from black to white.
Yeah.
So anyway, Salve is cracking on. He's still got door, rear quarter left, and then obviously finish up with like little touches everywhere. But yeah, like let me just show you this. If you come here, when you wrap a car, you wouldn't see these like tabs or relief cuts.
Tabs, good word.
We've got options here that we can actually cover these, so when you look at it, it'll actually be one piece in white. But I'm not sure it's actually like this. But anyway, I'm gonna go south.
Okay.
So anyway, south is gonna finish the car. We'll then go over the car and work out what we're gonna do. If I want to cover these, if not, I'm gonna leave them. But so far, so good. So there it is, guys. Firstly, I did try to film this the other day, but it was pouring down with rain. And then we tried to film it again, and it was still pouring down with rain. However, today the sun is out, so you can actually get to see the proper colour of my car. It doesn't like gloss white, however, when you get up close and personal, it is a pearl PPF. It looks incredible. Shout out STEK. I've used you for a second time now. Really, really pleased. Guys, I know I am known for wrapping my cars, however, we do PPF here, so it only made sense to try something new. What do we think? Do we like it? Black to white, big, big transformation. Summertime's coming, so I'm happy to have a white car. I want it to stand out. Everyone's like, Jan, you've gone boring, you've got old, where are all the chrome colours? I will bring the chrome colours back, but for now, I'm gonna stay with the white pearl PPF on this, and who knows what my next car will be and what colour I wrap or PPF that. Shout out Spandex. If you want STEK, by the way, guys, the only place you can get it is from Spandex. That is the supplier. No one else supplies it in the UK. Click here actually to see a video of the Nero Urus versus a standard Urus, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, see you later.